Well, it's Saturday night, June the 30th, 2012, 8:45, right on schedule. And we have tail balls. Exactly what's going on here. Oh God, it's throwing hail right at my feet. God. So we're getting one heck of a storm. No doubt about that. This hail just falling into my porch here. God. Second night of this mess. Come to find out from last night's storm, the entire state of West Virginia went out of power, out of gas, out of everything. And the place that I work, which is a restaurant, we worked our butts off today. They had to have a place to go, so we took care of them.